Hey everyone, welcome to Stuart Day Guitars. Today we're going to get into an acoustic neck reset. So first we're going to assess the neck angle. A proper neck set angle will put a straight edge right onto the top of the bridge. If it's overset, it'll be over top, and if it's underset, it'll be under that point, with the straight edge sitting on top of the fretboard. Then I'm going to scribe around the heel and the tongue extension, make sure that all the lacquer is not intact, so that when I pull the neck off, I'm not going to be chipping a bunch of lacquer. Set up with my silicone heating blanket and some tape around the tongue extension so that my palette knives don't dig into the top of the guitar. I use a LMI controller for the heat blanket. That gives me the ability to control the temperature so that I don't burn the wood or the inlay material on the fretboard. And I'm just going to slowly, patiently work my palette knife around as I'm heating up and softening that glue, being careful not to dig into the spruce top under the tongue extension. Whenever you hear kind of like crackling sounds of wood fiber breaking, you want to stop and come at it from a different direction. And you also want to be careful not to come straight in from the side of the tongue extension, kind of working sort of parallel to the wood fibers if you can. On this particular guitar, you notice I have there's plastic binding around the fretboard, so I used an aluminum spacer under the silicone blanket to lift the heat source off of the fretboard surface, so I didn't melt that plastic. It did actually come loose. The glue joint between the plastic and the ebony came loose, but I was able to glue that back together pretty quickly without any issues because I didn't actually melt the plastic itself. Some of my favorite palette knives actually came from flea markets and things. That one there you see is actually from, I think, LMI or StewMac. But next I'm going to drill 2 holes into the fret slot, and this is going to give me access to the mortise. Then I'm going to use my homemade fret removal jig. You can buy something like this at StewMac. I think it's a couple $100, or you can make your own for, I think I made this with scrap material. I don't think it cost me anything actually. Different neck sets are, some will come easy, some will be quite a challenge. This one came off pretty easily. I think it was about 4 minutes of steam and the neck popped right off. And that's how you get the neck off a guitar. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.